Hey guys, my name is Anna and I'm one of the representatives for Zeek Living. Today I just want to give you a quick tour, show you around, talk a little bit about our product and what's trending. First things first, I want to show you guys this master bath set with the bell and vanity. We love floating vanities for multiple reasons. It creates a more balanced look in your bathroom. Plus they're a little bit more narrow, so they create more space in your bathroom and kind of create a more minimalistic look. We matched it with our vessel sinks. We love vessel sinks because one thing, you don't have to commit to them because it's so easy to switch them over if you want to do different style over time, because all you have to do is just drill one hole in your countertop and then you can always switch it over time and then create a different look in your bathroom. We matched it with our deep set mirrors. So these come in two different colors. We have it in gold finish and in a black finish. And then you can also hang these vertically, or we also have the option for round mirrors. Here's a beautiful set with a men's floating vanity, just a classic white. White always matches all bathrooms, so it's a great way to go. We matched it with a quartz soapstone top from MSI for a pop-up color. And we added our beautiful vessel sink. This is our new sink that we just introduced to our collection last week, so make sure to check that out. It comes in two different finishes, gunmetal black and a brushed gold. These are really awesome. They're basically PVD nanotech coating on them. Stainless steel kind of provides an extra layer of coating, so makes it resistant against tarnishing and rusting. So these are built to last. And we matched it with a chrome pop-up drain. Yes, it's actually pretty nice lately to mix different finishes, so this is something that we're noticing more and more customers do. So it's not just everything one finish, it's actually cool to mix different finishes together. We matched it to brighten up this space with our LED mirror. The nice thing about it, it has no button on the mirror to turn it on and off, which means no more fingerprints, hardwired to motion sensor switch, and how to turn on off on its own as you walk in or leave the room. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our small little tour, and if you have any questions or would like to see our products in person, make sure to contact Affordable Interiors and get it through them. Thank you.